So yes, in second part of the session, I will be telling you guys how to calculate a percentage of a quantity. So आप लोगों ने ये सुना होगा कि भाई 10% of 20 oranges. Have you ever heard this? Or maybe you have heard something like 50% of 70 students, let's say. Have you ever heard this? So you can see that कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम किसी भी क्वांटिटी की परसेंटेज निकालना चाह रहे हैं, हम किसी भी क्वांटिटी की रिक्वायर्ड या कंसर्न परसेंटेज निकालना चाह रहे हैं. What do I mean by the concerned percentage? Over here 10% ये वो परसेंटेज है जो मुझे चाहिए किसी भी क्वांटिटी की. मुझे 20 ऑरेंजेस में से 10% ऑरेंजेस की पता लगानी है. From 70 students, I want to know the 50% of the students. So this is the concerned percentage I actually know. I need to know about. So let's know how to calculate the concerned percentage. That is the percentage you want from a quantity. So let's continue. So let's talk about the first question, that is 10% of 20 oranges. So how will I actually calculate the percentage? So what do I mean by 10%? 10% actually means 10 upon percentage sign actually means divide by 100, right? Now of is a mathematical word which actually means multiplication, and 20 comes along with it. So as I told you guys earlier, whenever we need to do calculations like that where you're going to multiply, cross multiply, you'll be first looking for zeros here. So if I see over here, I have many zeros, so I'll be cutting all those zeros. So this is 1 0, and so 1 0 cut, 1 0, and the other 0 is cut. So I'm now left over with 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 1. So if I say 10% of 20 oranges is basically 2 oranges. अगर आपसे कोई कहे भाई इन 20 ऑरेंजेस में से बस 10% निकाल के देना, तो आप उसको कितने ऑरेंजेस निकाल कर देंगे? आप उसको सिर्फ 2 ऑरेंजेस निकाल कर देंगे. So let's take another example. You can note it down in your journals for your practice purpose. Let's suppose if you go to a class and you are like कि भाई मुझे अपनी क्लास में से या grade 7 में से मुझे जो है 5% बच्चे चाहिए हैं अपनी competition के लिए. So let's suppose you have 16 students in grade 7. So if you are asked for 5% of students, अगर आपके पास कोई टीचर आता है आपसे कहता है कि भाई मुझे अपनी क्लास में से grade 7 में से 5% दे दें बच्चे for the competition, so how will you know कि भाई कितने होते हैं 5%? So what you can do is, we know that 5% actually means what? 5% actually means 5 divided by 100. So 5 divide by 100%, sorry 100, because percent actually means divide by 100. Of is a mathematical word which actually means multiply, and 16 comes there as it is, right? So we know that we are not given any zeros over here. So but if we see over here 100 and 50 and 16, 100 and 16 seem to be coming in the same table. They come in the table of 2 when we know that 2 50s are is 100 and 2 8s are is 16, right? So now we are having 5. अब यहाँ पे 16 नहीं है, we are having 8, और यहाँ पे 5 के नीचे हमें अभी क्या गिवन है? we are given 50 over here. If you see over here again, 8 और 50 भी एक टेबल में आते हैं और 5 और 50 भी एक टेबल में आते हैं. Either you can cut up and down or you can cut this way. I feel more easier cutting up and down because these two numbers come in the table of 5. So we know that 5 ones are is 5 and 5 tens are is 50. So if I just write it down, we are left over with 8 ones, that is 8 divided by 10. हमें ये पता है कि दोबारा से 8 और 10 एक ही टेबल में आते हैं. So when do they come? They come in table of 2. When 2 4s are is 8 and 2 5s are is 10. So I'm ending up with my answer, that is 4 upon 5. Still that is not the answer. I need to just divide it. 5 यहाँ पर बाहर आएगा और 4 अंदर आएगा. So यहाँ पे 5 की टेबल में 4 तो नहीं आता. So 0 यहाँ पे लगेगा. फिर हमारे पास जो है 0 4 नीचे आएगा. इसको सॉल्व करने का पॉइंट ऊपर लगाएंगे, फिर नीचे आएगा. देन 5 8s are is 40. तो जब आपके पास कोई ऐसा बंदा क्लास में आपसे कहे मुझे अपनी ग्रेड 7 में से 5% बच्चे दे दें, तो आप क्या कहेंगे कि भाई हमारे पास 0.8 बच्चे हम आपको कैसे दें? या तो बच्चा 1 हो सकता है या बच्चा 2 हो सकता है. बच्चा कभी आधा तो नहीं हो सकता. तो 0.8 इज यू कैन से मोर देन हाफ. सो दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. हम कभी भी आपको ग्रेड 7 में से 5% बच्चे नहीं दे सकते. सो दिस एक्चुअली शोज़, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि कौन सी वैल्यूज़ पॉसिबल है और कौन सी वैल्यूज़ इम्पॉसिबल है. यू कैन सी दैट 5% ऑफ 16 स्टूडेंट्स आर दिस नॉट अ पॉसिबल वैल्यू, इट्स एन इम्पॉसिबल वैल्यू. We look into our books, we have a question out here which actually talks about a percentage of a specific quantity. You see over here we have to find the value of each of the following. 20% of 13.25. So what you can just do this as a practice question in your homeworks. Inshallah, the next series of videos will be addressing how to calculate percentage of a specific quantity. So by that what you guys can do is you can just calculate your answers and post the answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope that everything was clear to you people, and I hope that all your objectives are covered. And yes, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. For more questions, you can either post your question in the comments below, or you can write me at my email ID, that is letslearnwithmissrahat@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.